Hello everyone, my name is Laritza Berman Santanilla. I am studying at UNAD University and I am in the bachelor's program in foreign languages with an emphasis in English. Talking about activities and plans. Question 1. What are your plans for the weekend? For the weekend, my plans are Saturday night, I am going to a party with my friends. On Sunday, I am going to Mass with my parents. On Sunday afternoon, I am going out with my brother to eat hamburgers. Question 2. What is your job? Study routine? After cleaning the house, I usually study a little English. I like to read, listen to music, and learn new vocabulary. In the afternoon, I study at Sena. I go out at 6 o'clock p.m. So I usually do the homework that is left to me and then spend some more time studying English. I am not working at the moment. Question 3. What sports do you practice? I don't practice any sport, but in the future I would like to practice swimming. Question 4. Which country would you like to travel to? Why? I would like to travel to South Korea since I am very interested in the culture of this country. In the same way, I would like to try the gastronomy and learn about its customs and traditions. I have also seen many tourist places that I would like to visit. I would also like to have the opportunity to attend a concert by BTS or VFV. They are my favorite bands from South Korea. Thank you.